Okay, good day students. Today we will have a look at the tracheobronchial tree. Okay. So here is the trachea. And you can see that the trachea, it has C-shaped hyaline cartilage. C-shaped hyaline cartilage in its wall. It has C-shaped hyaline cartilage. Posteriorly, there's no hyaline cartilage, but you can see here, this is where the trachealis muscle is. This is where the trachealis muscle, which is smooth muscle, where it is. And this is the trachealis muscle. Okay, and over here is the C-shaped hyaline cartilage in the wall of the trachea. Okay, so that's the C-shaped hyaline cartilage. And the trachea, it ends at the sternal angle, where it divides into two. It divides into here right main bronchus. You can see it is shorter and much more vertically oriented compared to the left main bronchus. This is left main bronchus. It's longer and a bit more horizontally oriented. Okay. Okay, the right main bronchus will divide. Right main bronchus divide into three lobar bronchi, secondary bronchi. Firstly here, superior lobar bronchus, and over here middle lobar bronchus, and down here inferiorly here is the right inferior lobar bronchus. Okay, so let's repeat that again. Right main bronchus, also known as right primary bronchus, and then there's the right superior lobar bronchus or right secondary bronchus, right superior secondary bronchus. Okay, right middle lobar bronchus, right inferior lobar bronchus. And now let's have a look at the left main bronchus. The left main bronchus will further divide to form two lobar bronchi. Okay, left superior lobar bronchus, left inferior lobar bronchus, and the lobar bronchi will further divide, forming here tertiary bronchi, also known as segmental bronchi. And this model, they have colored the segmental bronchi with different colors. Okay, with different colors. And here you can see that over here we can really see that in the lobar bronchi, it has irregular plates of hyaline cartilage. Irregular plates of hyaline cartilage. In the segmental bronchi, it's difficult to see because it is colored. Okay. Okay, so that's all for the tracheobronchial tree. Okay, thank you.